Previously on ApprenticeEh.
Heck to the yes. It's built in 1365. This is a gorgeous picture right here. But how do you even shine that? You gotta get really tired arms.
It's very Space Odyssey right now. Rosetta Stone. London Bridge.
Morning. We're in a space tunnel.
What?
We're in a space tunnel.
We're in a space tunnel?
We're in a space tunnel.
Well, technically, yeah, we are.
It's a tunnel of space.
I mean, yeah, most tunnels, I think all tunnels
Or space.
have space.
Space tunnels.
Space and time tunnel.
Works for me. It is very Christmassy. There's some angels. There's some like weird netting going on over there. There's more angels. Corey apparently knows what he's doing, so that's good. Oh, there you go. Found it. Welcome to Carnaby Street. We are with a local, and the local told us to go here. So that's what we're doing. This is cute. I love this. Fun. I have to record all the things. Wait. I gotta be a tourist. Deal with it.
So I agree with your idea, yeah. It's a good. How long would yours be?
This is a fancy building. I don't know what building it is. I think it's a store. We're in a super fancy area. This is a store, and it is Christmas decked. Is it called the Christmas Emporium? It has a Christmas Emporium, but it's all Christmassy. Oh yeah. Cool. Good times. Mural thing.
Animals in war, they had no choice.
There's a dog and a horse over through there. We are back at Hyde Park. We're gonna go wander through and catch Pokemon, I guess.
Yeah.
It's nice. For Corey over there.
A wild Corey appears.
A wild Corey running around catching Pokemon. Oh, he
Just caught a
disappeared.
Magmar?
There he is. We did just catch Magmars. It's
pretty
very
exciting.
important.
Don't have a lot of Magmars. It's a little too cold.
These geese are very interesting. Very weird looking geese. Hey, there's a Canadian geese. There's some swans over there. That's a lot of birds. And these swans are gigantic and terrifying. But they're being fed, so you know. They come up so high. They're so big.
I'm scared of one attacking me.
Yeah, have you seen their mouths?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they'll peck pretty hard.
Their mouths are just full of teeth.
Oh my gosh.
They're Canadians.
Some of them are. The black ones are Canadian. I love this one. This one's beautiful. If you eat your hand. Wow! They're so big. Oh my gosh, Corey. He has no interest in you whatsoever.
He's eyeing me.
Yeah, he's
don't have any
just checking if you have food. They're having a rollerblade party. I don't know where we are, but it's friggin' beautiful. That's Hyde Park. I don't know what this gate is or what this thing is.
Queen Elizabeth Gates.
The Queen Elizabeth Gates?
That's what it said on my Pokestop.
Look at that Pokestop teaching us things. Also, that's gorgeous. It's so pretty, Corrado.
It's very pretty.
It's so pretty. There's a friggin' giant monument over there. Frig, man. Phone box.
Cool.
Food time. Corey's got his real shepherd's pie.
It's real. It's lamb.
Oh, fancy.
Lamb. Real shepherd's pie.
Real shepherd's pie.
It's filling.
Is it good? We got some steak and ale pies. It looks really good and it smells delicious, so hopefully it tastes good too. I can see you in the reflection. Good job holding on to it.
Thanks. It's a bouncy
It's a
train.
very bouncy train. Good job.
Home is where the bar is.